Hey guys, Shep McGann, and I have what is very likely going to be my last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I think is what they call this one. I really don't dislike Ipsy at all, it's just like way too much makeup I've got. I need to use some of it. To you from you, that's cute. Alright, the tape on this is kind of weird. It looks like somebody untaped it and restuck it. Okay, ooh, I kind of like this orange. It's very different. Let's get the camera down. There we go. And I think that's our spoiler card. We will hide that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, it seems. Let's start with the brushes. Ooh, I do love brushes. Be beautiful, be you. How do I get into you, darling? There is no tear tab. Ah! Oh, wait. Okay, it's like a sandwich bag and I'm just dumb. Doo-doo. Okay, so we have a Farrah 3-piece brush set. I'm pretty sure these are for cheeks, but oh my goodness, I can feel it through the top there. These are so soft. And I really dig that the bristles are black with dark blue on top. You usually get like white brushes and then they're stained in a heartbeat, so hopefully these are really nice. Oh wait, there's names on the back of them. Stippling 40 FM, Cheeky in 218, and 20 FF straight. Well, those are great. Love those. Let's see, down here we've got a little, it's like a sequins bag. Does it do the, oh, it does do the up and down, but it looks like the same color on both sides, so that was a waste of potential. Oh, it's got a little heart charm on the zipper. And we've got a nice red coloring on the inside. Betty Boop and Ipsy. Oh, it is Betty Boop. Well, that's neat. I'm not a big Betty Boop fan, but I recognize her. I like Fleischer Studios. Fleischer Studios? Wait. One of those? Oh, it looks like we have another Betty Boop thing in here. Betty Boop times Ipsy. That's so Betty. Oh, eyeshadow palette. Cool. I know they had the Tetris palette the last box I got, and then I put it on a 3-month suspension because just too much makeup. But now it's been 3 months later, and it's like I still have too much makeup. Let's just cancel this. Again, nothing against Ipsy, it's just way too much stuff coming to me. Ooh, got some scuffs, but they wiped right off. Okay. Betty Boop with her little hearts. And what do we got in here? Oh, okay. I don't know that I would necessarily say these are Betty Boop colors when I think of her, but I mean, I definitely can see some coolness there. It would have been really neat if it was an all gray, black, and white palette, though. That would have been perfect. We've got a mirror with a protector over it right now. I'm not going to do swatches because I am fighting against a dying camera battery. Then, you know what? Let's just get this box out of the way. We've got 3 more things in here. Oh, and I noticed on the box, the top says Discover Yourself, and the bottom says same time next month. I really do prefer Ipsy to BoxyCharm, but that's my opinion, and I still need to use stuff before I keep buying more stuff. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I am about to turn 35, so I do really need to get into the habit of using more things in the skincare lines. Jolie Spectra Stick, born in NYC, and it is sticker up already for some reason. I hate when I can't open packaging without destroying the packaging. Oh my. Well. Okay, so we've got, oh okay, that's kind of a neat pearly peachy lipstick color here. I did like a Jolie I got before that was a red like liquid lipstick. Oh, it's like one of those push pens. Push in, push out. Neat. And our last bit, Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. This is something I probably really need. I never seem to have enough for my cheeks. Woo! Okay, I cannot say any of those names, but the colors look nice, pretty neutral. Mirror up here, hi. And that is our whole box. I know I'm not swatching today, but like I said, I'm fighting against the clock here that this battery doesn't die on me. So it's a short and sweet unboxing. We can have those every so often, right? Alright, so that is the whole set, minus some of the boxes. Let me read this spoiler card. So, Age-Defying Exfoliator, check. Retail $79, geez. Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick in Stella, $26 value. Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette, $30. Betty Boop and Ipsy That's So Betty Eyeshadow, $30. And Farrah Brushes Midnight Pro Trio, $48. Oh my goodness. So yes, I got over $120 of stuff. I think these boxes are like 30 bucks. I totally get myself confused. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty cool box. I like the Betty Boop theme. I like the Tetris theme I got in my last box about 3 months ago. The only thing I don't like is that I only have one face to use all this stuff on, so I can't get through it as fast as I thought I could. I'm just, I'm slow. I'm makeuply challenged. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Again, you've been listening to Megan ramble on like a crazy person. And don't forget to please subscribe and watch more videos on this channel. We have got different things going on, hopefully. Honestly, I don't know where I'm posting this at the minute. If I'm putting it on the All Makeup Beauty channel, the chances are pretty high that it's going to get smushed in with the Fanily channel since all the toy stuff is going to be pretty much banned by YouTube. So I don't know exactly how it's going to go yet. Don't feel like you need to unsubscribe, but I don't know where you're going to be watching this. I think that's what I'm trying to get at. So I don't know if there's a point. I'm just going to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!